Now, the Ministry of Health has listed 20 counties as high-risk areas prone to Ebola virus infection as cases continue to escalate in Uganda. Acting Health Director General Patrick Amoth said that due to the porous nature of Kenya-Uganda border, the government has intensified surveillance and thorough scrutiny even as they work around the clock to ensure several quarantine centers are set up as contingency measure. This even as he singled out Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, that's in Kisumu, Eldoret, and also Mombasa International Airport, as well as the heavy population of Ugandan citizens in Nairobi, Kajiado, Kakuma, as possible risk factors, urging Kenyans to be vigilant. Among the earmarked counties at high risk are Busia, number 1, number 2, Nakuru, Kiambu, number 3, Nairobi, the capital city, Kajiado, Machakos, Makueni, Taita Taveta, the coastal town of Mombasa, Kwale, Kericho, Bungoma, Siaya, Migori, Homa Bay, Kisumu, Trans Nzoia, West Pokot, Turkana, and Uasin Gishu. Oh my God. Meanwhile, in Uganda, the death toll from the Ebola virus has shot to 23, 2 weeks after the country confirmed the first infection.
And nearly half of the 47 counties, 20 out of 47, are at risk. So all those countries marked in red are potential hotspots, and probably that is where we'll be able to get the first case. And therefore, owing to these risks, we are implementing effective measures to ensure that we stop, one, the importation of the outbreak into Kenya, and two, if it does happen, then we put into place control measures.
Coming into close contact with people who are infected within the household, maybe taking care of them within the hospital, then provides that amplification of the infection, because any person who's in contact can then potentially get infected.
The provisions that are in place to provide PPE and training to all healthcare workers is really critical, I think, as we strengthen our preparedness in Kenya.
The ministry is up to task and is making every effort to ensure that the country is protected. I'm sure there have been very many concerns over surveillance efforts.